Why do so many beginners assume you need a massive following to even begin thinking about affiliate marketing? It's a common misconception, and frankly, it holds a lot of people back from exploring a potentially lucrative income stream. They get caught up in the numbers game, obsessing over follower counts, likes, and shares, believing that these metrics are the key to unlocking affiliate success. But what if I told you that you could completely bypass the social media popularity contest and still build a thriving affiliate business? In reality, affiliate marketing is about strategy, not popularity. Even with 0 followers, you can start earning commissions by focusing on the right approach. Today, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. For example, you could be a stay-at-home parent, a college student, or a retiree, none of whom have a big online presence, but all can succeed with the right strategy. Whether you're interested in fitness, tech gadgets, cooking, or personal finance, there's a path for you. Let's break down the process so you can see how anyone, regardless of their starting point, can get results. Let's break down the myths and focus on what really matters: connecting with the right people, providing genuine value, and promoting products that solve real problems. Forget the pressure of needing thousands of followers. Instead, let's build a sustainable and profitable affiliate business from the ground up without relying on social media fame. For instance, you might help a friend find the perfect kitchen gadget, recommend a budgeting app to a coworker, or share a travel deal with your family. These are all real connections that can lead to affiliate commissions, even if you never post on Instagram or TikTok. The truth? You can start earning commissions, real tangible income, without a single social media fan. That's right, 0. No need to spend countless hours building a social media presence, crafting the perfect posts, or engaging in endless comment threads. You can skip all of that and still achieve affiliate marketing success. Instead, focus on building assets you control, like a website or an email list, and use proven strategies to reach your audience directly. For example, you could create a simple blog reviewing kitchen appliances, set up a newsletter about the best travel deals, or build a resource page for tech enthusiasts. These assets work for you 24/7, bringing in commissions while you sleep. Affiliate marketing is all about earning commissions. It's a performance-based marketing strategy where you get paid for every sale or lead you generate for another company. Think of it as being a digital salesperson, but instead of working on a salary, you earn a percentage of each sale you bring in. For example, if you recommend a productivity app and someone subscribes through your link, you get paid. Or if you write a review of a travel backpack and a reader buys it, you earn a commission. It's as simple as that. Real results for real recommendations. The best part? You don't have to create your own products, handle inventory, or deal with customer service headaches. Your primary role is to connect potential customers with products they need and earn a commission for doing so. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Companies get more sales, customers find solutions, and you earn income for making the connection. For example, you could recommend a meal delivery service, a fitness tracker, or an online course. No need to ship anything or answer support emails. Here's the secret. You don't need a big audience. You just need the right audience. A small, targeted group of people who are genuinely interested in the products you're promoting is far more valuable than a large, unengaged following. Think quality over quantity. For example, a list of 100 engaged subscribers to a tech newsletter can outperform 10,000 random followers on social media. Or, a small Facebook group for home cooks can generate more sales than a massive, unfocused page. Step 1. Pick a niche you know, something you're passionate about or have expertise in. This will make it easier to create authentic and engaging content. Are you into fitness, cooking, technology, travel, or personal finance? The possibilities are endless. For example, you could focus on vegan recipes, smart home devices, budget travel tips, or investing for beginners. Choosing a niche you're genuinely interested in will not only make the process more enjoyable, but also increase your chances of success. If you love fitness, you can promote workout gear, supplements, or online training programs. If you're into tech, review the latest gadgets or software. If you love cooking, share your favorite kitchen tools or meal kits. Next, use keyword tools to find topics that people are actively searching for online. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs can help you identify keywords related to your niche that have a decent search volume but aren't overly competitive. This is where the magic happens, finding those hidden gems that can drive targeted traffic to your content. For instance, Instead of targeting fitness, you might focus on home workouts for busy moms. In tech, try Best Budget Wireless Earbuds 2024. For cooking, Easy Vegan Meal Prep. For finance, how to start investing with $100. These specific keywords help you reach people who are ready to take action. Focus on long-tail keywords, longer, more specific phrases that people use when they're further along in the buying process. These keywords are less competitive and more likely to convert. For example, best running shoes for flat feet is a long-tail keyword that targets a specific need. In cooking, gluten-free bread recipe for beginners. In tech, how to set up a smart thermostat. By targeting these, your content is more likely to rank and attract the right visitors who are ready to buy or take action. Now join reputable affiliate programs that align with your niche and target audience. Look for programs that offer products or services you genuinely believe in and would recommend to your friends and family. This authenticity will shine through in your content and build trust with your audience. Popular platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, and Impact are great starting points, but there are countless other programs for every niche imaginable. For example, fitness fans can join MyProtein or Bowflex, tech lovers can try Newegg or B&H, and travel enthusiasts can look at Booking.com or Expedia. When choosing programs, look for good payouts and products that offer a decent commission rate. While the commission rate shouldn't be the only factor, it's definitely important. Also, consider the average order value of the products you're promoting. A higher order value means a higher commission for you. For example, promoting a $500 standing desk at 5% commission earns you more than a $20 phone case at 10%. In the travel niche, booking a hotel room can pay more than selling a travel guidebook. Always compare the potential earnings before you commit. Focus on promoting products that actually help people. Choose items that solve a problem or fulfill a need for your audience. This will not only increase your conversion rates, but also build trust and credibility. For example, if your audience is interested in productivity, recommend tools or apps that genuinely make their lives easier, like project management software or time-saving gadgets. In cooking, suggest meal prep containers or healthy recipe books. In fitness, promote resistance bands or online workout classes. Now, build your platform. A simple blog or website works wonders. This is where you'll create and publish your content, showcase your expertise, and promote your affiliate products. A blog allows you to create in-depth articles, reviews, and tutorials that provide value to your audience and establish you as an authority in your niche. You don't need to be a tech expert. Platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace make it easy to get started. You could also create a YouTube channel, a podcast, or even a simple landing page with your top recommendations. Medium or LinkedIn are great too, especially for getting started and reaching a wider audience. These platforms offer a built-in audience and can help you gain visibility and credibility. You can repurpose your blog content for these platforms or create original content specifically for them. The key is to get your message in front of people who are already interested in your niche. For example, share a case study on LinkedIn, publish a how-to guide on Medium, or post a comparison table of products in your niche. Focus on SEO so people find your content organically through search engines. Search engine optimization is the process of optimizing your website and content to rank higher in search results. This involves using relevant keywords, creating high-quality content, building backlinks, and optimizing your website's technical aspects. For example, writing a detailed review with the right keywords can help you rank on Google and attract free traffic. You could also create a comparison table of top products or a tutorial that answers a common question in your niche. By focusing on SEO, you can attract a steady stream of targeted traffic to your website without relying on the unpredictable nature of social media algorithms. Organic traffic is highly valuable because it's typically more engaged and more likely to convert. For example, someone searching for best email marketing tool is already interested and ready to buy. Or a person looking for easy meal prep for beginners is likely to take action. These visitors are your ideal audience. Create helpful content, how-tos, reviews, comparisons that addresses the needs and interests of your target audience. Provide valuable information, solve their problems, and answer their questions. The more helpful and informative your content is, the more likely people are to trust you and purchase the products you recommend. For example, a detailed comparison of two popular fitness trackers, a step-by-step guide to setting up a budgeting app, or a video review of a new kitchen gadget can help your audience make informed decisions. Add your affiliate links naturally. Integrate them seamlessly into your content where they make sense. Don't just stuff your content with affiliate links. Make sure they're relevant to the topic and provide value to the reader. For example, if you're writing a review of a product, include your affiliate link within the review so that readers can easily purchase the product if they're interested. If you're making a YouTube video, add the link in the description. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to build trust, such as with a simple note, "I may earn a commission if you purchase through my link." Always aim to help, not just sell. Your primary goal should be to provide value to your audience. If you focus on helping people, the sales will naturally follow. Build trust and credibility by providing honest and unbiased information. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships and disclose that you may earn a commission if someone purchases a product through your link. For example, share both the pros and cons of a product or recommend a competitor if it's a better fit for your audience's needs. Want to boost results? There's a powerful strategy that many affiliate marketers overlook, and it can significantly increase your earnings: building an email list. Capture emails with a free checklist, ebook, or other valuable resource that your audience will find irresistible. This is known as a lead magnet, and it's a great way to build your email list and nurture relationships with potential customers. For example, offer a 10-day meal plan for cooking fans, a beginner's guide to investing for finance readers, or a home office setup checklist for remote workers. Offer something of value in exchange for their email address, and you'll be well on your way to building a loyal following. Then, nurture your list with value-packed emails. Provide exclusive content, special offers, and helpful tips that your subscribers won't find anywhere else. Segment your list based on interests and behaviors to send targeted emails that are more likely to resonate with your audience. For example, send fitness tips to workout enthusiasts, recipe ideas to home cooks, or tech news to gadget fans. Email marketing is one of the most effective ways to connect with your audience, build relationships, and drive sales. In fact, email can increase earnings up to 66%. By nurturing your email list with valuable content and targeted offers, you can significantly increase your affiliate earnings. Remember, your list is an asset you own. Unlike social media followers, you control the relationship. For example, you can promote a new product launch, share a limited time discount, or send a roundup of your best content directly to your subscribers. Ready to start? The journey to affiliate marketing success begins with taking that first step. Don't let the fear of not having a large social media following hold you back. Grab the free checklist linked below. It's packed with actionable steps and resources to help you get started on the right foot. This checklist will guide you through the process of choosing a niche, finding affiliate programs, creating content, and driving traffic to your website. Whether you're a beginner or looking to scale, these steps will set you up for long-term success. And let's get your affiliate business rolling. It's time to ditch the social media obsession and focus on building a sustainable and profitable affiliate business that generates real income, regardless of your follower count. The power to create your own success is in your hands. Start today, take consistent action, and watch your affiliate income grow, one step at a time. Remember, every successful affiliate marketer started with 0 followers. Your journey begins now.